Hey guys, I'm inside trying to beat the rain today, and there's something I've been wanting to shoot this video on. I did a video in 2019, and I don't know what happened to it. It disappeared off YouTube for whatever reason. But this is about Thrasher products, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to Thrasherize a 5-gallon bucket. And what I mean by that is in 2019, I think it was 2019, Zach Thrasher came out with this lid, and it's this mesh material with a elastic opening in the top to where you can put trash in here, but it won't blow out. So, for example, if you use a bucket on your boat, okay, most people saltwater fishing, they'll have a 5-gallon bucket if they don't have a washdown hose, and so this is nice because you can fill water bottles, Coke cans, chip bags, whatever it is, wrappers. You can put those in here. And then should you need to take your bucket, dip it down into the water, and then rinse down the boat, all the trash will stay in the bucket, right? Great idea. But he's also got a couple other things that make this nice. Now, when he did this for the Yeti, see, the Yetis come with this rubber gasket on the bottom, so it won't slide. So what Zach's come up with right here, it's the trash can bucket ring. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take this bucket and we're going to install this. Right? And for all these items, I'm going to put a link down below in the comments so you can check it out. All right. So we've got that on, right? So now we've got a non-skid, and of course we know that one's a non-skid, but here's the difference, right? All right, so here's just a couple things I was talking about. For example, without it, you drag it, it's just bouncing, it's gonna make a lot of noise. This one, it wants to stick more, it doesn't want to go anywhere. If you had any weight in the bucket, it wouldn't move at all. So that's one thing you can do to Thrasherize your 5-gallon bucket. Now, again, 5-gallon buckets, as we all know, right? They've got these handles, little plastic roller thing. Well, what happens when that breaks? Or like with this one, it rusts. You got to do something. So here's a great option. Take off this handle. Now, I know people back in the day would use those handles for D-hookers and all kinds of other things on a boat. But this simply hooks into the bucket. Now you've got this nice nylon strap that, whatever weight's in this bucket, it's going to be dispersed over a bigger part of your hand than just this one. If it's full of water, full of ice, full of fish, it's just going to make it more comfortable to carry. And, what's great is now, maybe that's it. Maybe you just want the non-skid on the bottom and a carrying handle, but why not just go ahead and go with the Thrash Can bucket topper to make the trifecta here. So we're going to hang on to that box. We're going to use it in just a second. So you can see it comes right out. See if it'll go in here really easy for me, right? It's really, and that's what's nice about this thing being so tight, is you don't have to worry about it coming off when you don't want it to. But me getting it on here is going to be kind of funny, maybe. There we go. I figured it out. So let's go down over that second one. And this is a one-size-fits-all. So let's say if you did have a Yeti bucket, which has a little slightly larger diameter opening, then you could use this on there as well. I'm actually just taking this down to the second little lip on this bucket. And there you go. So go check them out. Click that link. It's Thrash Can products. I'll just tell you right now, if you look them up on the internet, you might even see some fishing lures and, some other things that they've got. But, it's it's a great thing to have on the boat. You don't have that metal handle bouncing around, clanging, making a lot of noise. And here, let me just give you a close-up of what this looks like. So you can see the opening. It's easy to put stuff in and out of. For example, I'm just going to put that in there. You know, but then again, you don't have to worry about it coming out. So, guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Go check them out. Thrasher products. Click the link in the comments if you want to learn more about them.